Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see like how we refresh report automatically in Power BI service, and how we install the gateway, because this gateway is the mediator between the reports and the data set. So we will see all these things in this tutorial, like how we can refresh it, like if we make any changes into the data, then how the data will be reflect into the like Power BI's service report, and how we install the gateway. So let's go to the Power BI service. So in this service, like this is the report which we have generated in the previous tutorial. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please go to the previous part, so you will understand it, like how we are working, how we are creating dashboard and the report. So let's go to the Power Space, and when you will go like my power is workspace, sorry, when you will go here, you will see the dashboard and the report. So like for refreshing the data, like in this report, if I have made any changes, then how the changes will reflect, that we are going to see in this tutorial. So like every report which we create, it contain one data set, and the name of the data set will be similar to the name of the report. So here, like currently this is the refresh. So when I click on this refresh, it will give an error, and the error will be like refresh failed due to the gateway configures issue, and like that gateway we need to install it. So that is the requirement, like just close it. So how you can install the gateway, that is the first thing. So you can install the gateway, like when you will expand this gateway connection, you can like install it from here. So once you will click on this, it will download the like gateway, and we have to double click on that and install that, we will see in a bit. And you can install it, like you can download from here as well, like a data gateway, you can click from here and you can download, and like you can go to the website of the gateway and you can download from there and you can install. So those things. So for like while taking the install like in downloading that gateway, it take bit time, so I have already downloaded it. So you can download from there. So after download, it will look like this: on premises data gateway like exe. So what we have to do, just run as administrator, and we have to install it in our local. So just start to install in our system. So this type of pop-up window will come. Here it will show the path, so just accept the terms and click on the install. So it will take a few seconds to install this gateway in our local. So let's wait like for the installation this one in our system, and we will see like what all are the things it require. So basically for installing this gateway, later it will ask us to the email ID, which we have created the like Power BI services. So that email ID we have to give, and we have to give the credential. Then only this successful gateway will install in our system. So let's wait for the some time. So it is installing currently. So the it has come here, like your gateway is all set up. Now just click on sign in. So sign in we have to click, and we have to give the like email ID, the email ID which we have created this Power BI services, and click on next. Then it will ask us to give the password, and like we have to create an account on this gateway. So just click on this, and we have to give the password. So just give the password here. So once we will give the password, it will pop up in window, like it is asking help us to protect your account. So like as of now, just do the skip for now, otherwise you can use a different account. So basically here you will see the mobile authentication, like we have to install gateway in our mobile, and based on that we have to do. So as of now I have skipped it, and once we have skipped it, it will say like the gateway is online and ready to use. So what you can do, you just can close from here, and once we close, just refresh this browser. So after this refresh browser, we will see. So once you will refresh that page, the gateway has installed in our system, and when you will come back to this data set, like this data set, and you will click on this refresh, so it will not give any error to us. Like previously it was giving us error like gateway is not installed. Now it should not give any error because we have installed the gateway. So like we can see it didn't give any error here, and like it is showing one error. So we can like ignore as of now, like there was an error with your data set, select the warning icon to view detail. So as of now you can ignore it. Like once like if you will click, it will say like schedule refresh has been disabled and all these things. So we can get the details. So now like if I now what I do, if I go to the report basically, and like if I will refresh the data here, so what I can do, we can refresh the data from here also. Like so what we will do, we will make changes to our like the Excel basically, which we are exporting in our Power BI desktop, and we will make some changes to that, and we'll see like the changes is reflecting to this report or not. So currently like what we will do, like we are looking here around like 5 countries. I will add one more country called India. So I have already opened that Excel in my system. So I'll go to at last, and here like where is the country. So here I'm going to add the India, and I will save it. And now what I will do, I will minimize it, and when I will refresh it here, like currently, so I have refreshed, and we can see like that India is not populating here. So currently it is not showing the changes to here. So what we can do, just go to the workspace and go to this data set, and here we can see like 3 dotted button. So from here, when you will go to the setting, so like once we go to the setting, and here like it is the same way, like same page where we install our the gateway. Like previously it was showing here like install the gateway, but now it is not showing because we have already installed. And next what we can see here, like data source credential. So currently like what it is saying, your data source can't be refreshed because the credential are invalid. Please update your credential and try again. So what we can do, edit, and currently it is asking like your authentication, like it is there or not, like something password and exists there or not. So we can do none, and like we can sign in. So again we have to give the credential to this, and we'll see like it should, this time it should refresh the data. So let's wait, like we have to give like, so currently it has saved like your update, like now we can see like it has updated with the none, because previously it was asking for the password, but that Excel does not contain any password and all this. So now let's go to the workspace and data set, and now refresh it. So once we'll refresh it here, and like the data should like refresh into the like report in the new field which we added as a India, it should show there. So it is refreshing here. So like we can see here icon, it is refreshing. So let's wait for a few seconds while the refresh completes. So we can see like previously here it was showing one warning message, but now that warning message is not showing. Now let's go to the report and see that like in that report that we can see that new field called India or not. So let's click on this example. It will take us to the report page, and like here we are not looking any like currently any India, but here one thing came like blank, because like for that report we didn't give much information. So what I will give, I will add some fields to this, and what I can do, like I will copy this whole things and I will paste it here, and here I will add as a India. So that's it. Now save it and go back, and what I will do, I will refresh it from here once. So just go to the workspace and the data set and refresh it from here. So basically it is the gateway which take the data, and what I will do, I will close this also from here and refresh it again. Now let's go to the report after the refresh is done from here. So the refresh is done. Now go to the report. So let's click on the report, and when we land to this page, and we can see like there is a one country name like India, it is showing here. So what I do, I will click on this India, and based on that all the report it is showing. And if I will click on April, let's see what all are the information it is showing. Like for April there is no data, that's why it is not showing. Let's get rid of this one. What I will do, I will click on this India, and based on that all the information it is showing as we have mentioned into the Excel. So in this way basically what we can do, like automatic, we can refresh the data in our Power BI service. If you don't see your data here, what you can do, you can click here also and then can see the data. So that's all about this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.